In this tutorial, we're going to cover how to connect audio sources and adjust audio levels on the iCAST Mini. When connecting audio to the iCAST Mini, it is important to note that the iCAST Mini requires a 1/4 inch or 6.3 millimeter cable to be used when connecting a microphone source, and the XLR cable is to be used when connecting a line source, such as the source from an external audio mixer. The iCAST Mini will automatically detect whether a 1/4 inch or 6.3 millimeter cable is connected and add an additional 40 decibels of gain, automatically detecting it as a microphone input. When an XLR cable is connected, it will detect it as a line input and not add any gain. Now connect your audio sources to the iCAST Mini. Use channels 1 and 2 for either a microphone or line input. If you only connect to one channel, the source can be used on both channels to output for left and right stereo, which we will go over a bit later. Keep in mind that the iCAST Mini does not provide phantom power, so if you have a microphone that needs power, we recommend using an external audio mixer and then sending a line-in signal over XLR to the iCAST Mini. If your laptop has audio that needs to be played into the iCAST Mini for a presentation, set your laptop or PC to embed the audio into the HDMI output, and the iCAST Mini will recognize it. After your sources are connected, play test audio into the iCAST Mini to adjust levels. If levels are low on the iCAST Mini, first increase the output levels and gain on your audio source before adjusting the gain levels on the iCAST Mini. The audio meter on the right represents input levels. Ideally, levels should be within 0 to 6 decibels. You may notice here that we only have audio levels on the left channel. Currently, we have one input connected, a line-in feed from an audio mixer. Under channel type, choosing mono will repeat the channel 1 audio to channel 2 as well, and they will have the exact same audio source and levels. Channel 2 audio will also be repeated to channel 1 when connecting two different sources. Choosing stereo will make channel 1 and channel 2 left and right channels respectively. This is ideal when connecting a stereo output from an external audio mixer. Next, to have audio come in from a laptop or PTZ camera, select Source, and in this menu you can choose to have HDMI 1 plus external, which would have audio embedded in the HDMI signal, in addition to the external audio, which is from channels 1 and 2. HDMI 2 plus external is for an audio source embedded in the HDMI signal connected to the camera 2/PC input, in addition to the external audio from channel 1 and 2. Choosing external is to use the channel 1 and channel 2 audio only. Make a selection and press Apply. When choosing a HDMI source for audio, the other HDMI source will be disabled. The headphone levels are for monitoring audio from the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack on the left front of the iCAST Mini. RCA is for the RCA audio output from the iCAST Mini. The HDMI/UVC level is for increasing or decreasing the levels on the embedded audio over the HDMI video output and USB-C video output. For audio delay, a maximum of 170 milliseconds can be added to the iCAST Mini. This will delay the audio signal to better sync with the external video signal. At 30 frames per second, each frame of delay is approximately 34 milliseconds. At 60 frames per second, each frame of delay is approximately 17 milliseconds.